This is an evaluation question. We need an answer choice in evaluating whether arrival of this company in this country will lead to a closure of local manufacturing firms. Whether a large percentage of goods currently bought in the country are almost entirely made locally is delving into the details, irrespective of whether a large percentage of such goods are made almost entirely locally. The issue in hand remains whether advent of this company would lead to a disproportionate closure of local manufacturing firms. Choice B should be eliminated. Answer choice C is a trap. Always be very skeptical about such answer choices which lead to a comparison without first drawing a similarity. What happened in other countries may not be relevant to what would happen in the country in question. Remember, such comparison is valid only when first a similarity has been established. Answer choice C makes a comparison without first establishing a similarity. This can never be the correct answer choice. Had this answer choice suggested a similarity in socio-economic conditions, we may have thought about this answer choice. Answer choice D delves into operational nuances, the percentage of poaching. These are extreme operational details. These will not help in evaluating whether the arrival of this company would lead to a disproportionate closure of local manufacturing firms. Answer choice E talks about whether the company under discussion undergoes a loss in the first decade. This is totally out of the scope of the argument. Whether the arrival of this company will lead to a closure of local manufacturing firms. Whether this firm itself undergoes financial losses in the first decade does not help in evaluating the reasoning here. Let's confirm answer choice A now. Answer choice A brings in a very interesting point. This answer choice questions that typically in a decade in such economies, what proportion of manufacturing firms actually close down. See, in this entire argument here, the key point is that a third of the manufacturing firms close in a decade of the arrival of this company. So 33% closure. So what is the closure generally in such economies? Now see, if the closure is much less than 33%, then yes, this company may have played a role because the closure was disproportionate. And if the closure was something around 33%, then this is something that anyway happens. This company may not have played a role. Either way, having answer to this question here will either help the argument or hurt the argument. Either way, this will help in evaluating the argument. A is the correct answer choice.